This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show Mac users how to change the default PDF viewer from Mac Preview to Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started. We are in Finder in Mac, and if I double click on this PDF right here, it's a packing slip, it will open up in Mac Preview. And I don't want that to happen. I actually want it to open up in Adobe Acrobat by double clicking on it. And this is how you can change the default from Mac Preview to Adobe Acrobat. This is assuming you have Adobe Acrobat installed. So select any PDF that you have in Finder, right click over it, and then select Get Info. And I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to bring it over here. You can see that there's this little dialog box pops up, and you can see that down here it says Open with Preview App, and it says Default. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to Adobe Acrobat, and then I'm going to press the button that says Change All. Use this application to open all documents like this one. And it says, are you sure you want to change to all similar documents to open with the application Adobe Acrobat app? And I'm going to say yes. And also it identifies what they are. It's with the extension PDF. So I can press continue. All right, so now it's Adobe Acrobat, and let's test it out. I'm going to double click on the same file, and it should open up in Adobe Acrobat now. And it did. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.